Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters 1 Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, as well as Gloria, which is Girliest Cards, and usually Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. We also enter our makes into hashtag Set More Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. All of the links will be down below. And this week's theme for hashtag 2Crafters 1 Design is spring. Next week's theme is to use an umbrella somewhere on your project, whatever you want to make. Just make sure you have an umbrella on there. All right, and let's go ahead and get started. So these are the items that I use to create these beautiful cards today. All right, so starting out, let me show you this. I used this right here. This spring, it says spring. You may not be able to see it, but it does say spring. I want to say it's from the Greetery. Lady Cree actually gave me that, so I thought I would use that today. And then also from the Honeybee stamps, I'm using Blessings, so we have Spring Blessings. I also use from Honeybee Sending You from this set here. And from LDRS, I am using the basic picnic quilt, and you can see that pattern there. From Ulta New, I'm using the Bitty Bloom 3D die set. So I'm using this here. This is new. The Cheer set was new that I hadn't used, so I'm getting some new products in that I'm able to use. And then this is from Photo Play, and I'm using a few of these dies in there. For my creative time, I'm using this die and this die. And then from Stampendous, I am using this envelope. And you can get that from Spellbinders. So really like this envelope. And this is what I made. Oh my gosh, I love how it turned out. I love the size that I chose for this card. And let me just show you the dies, because I didn't use everything from this set. I only used, I want to say, these 3 items. I didn't use the largest one. I used these 3 right here, and I did not use the tag. But really like how that turned out. So on the envelope it says Sending You, along with that rose there. And then the inside, when you get to it, it's going to say Spring Blessings. And I love that. I love how it turned out. Take a closer look at that. I just absolutely love it. It's so pretty. And then the inside, I just layered that one piece of the die set from Photo Play. Love that. Did add some diamond dots on there. The spring is in a black matte paper, a little shiny, but not much though. But love it, love it. The blessings, I used the VersaFine Clear ink to stamp that out. But just love how it turned out. I didn't only make one, I made 4 of them. And then I was thinking, how cute would this be to hand out a whole set that maybe had spring, summer, autumn, and winter with flowers that coordinated with those seasons. I thought that would be so cute, except for I don't think a winter die, and I don't think I have the summer die yet from Honeybee Stamps, but I might pick those up or from wherever, because I just think that is such a nice idea to have a flower that coordinates with the season, and it just looks so pretty. All right, so anyways, that's all I have for you. Make sure you enter our collabs, use those hashtags, and thanks so much, everyone. So you all have a blessed and crafty day.